In front of me is Poco C65, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Additional Settings. When you're ready, select one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by clicking on gray area at the top or swiping up. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!